Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome back at Tazzaina Malik. I hope you're all doing great. So, in the series of software project management, today we have brought you a series of software project management tools that are very must for you to learn and or at least have a basic know-how because every IT company nowadays relies upon a project management tool from a smallest organization to the largest organization to a largest multinational company. They are relying upon a project management tool for managing their projects, for managing their teams, for managing their daily tasks even. So these tools are very much for you to learn. So today we are going to cover Jira, that is a product of Atlassian Software Group, and it was initially launched in 2002 by two software students for bug and change request tracking. But nowadays, it is used by 65,000 companies globally, not for only bug or change request tracking. It is extensively used for project management, for code management, for software quality assurance, for requirements management, using different platforms and for task tracking, and it is extensible. It's amazing, and it's a very wonderful feature is that you will not find rarely find in other project management tools. That Jira is extensible. It can be integrated with Slack for team communication management. It can be integrated with Confluence for using different templates on cloud for recording our meeting minutes, for documenting the requirements, for using different graphs for and tracking our project progress, and much more. So we'll cover the extensive features of the Jira in this playlist, and you will get from a basic knowledge of the Jira to the hands-on practice on the different features of the Jira throughout this tutorial. So stay tuned for its more features. In the next tutorial, we will see that how we can begin with Jira by setting up our account and setting up our first project. So let's meet in the next part.